Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you the GATE exam complete guide. I'll explain the GATE exam overview, like what is GATE and the exam pattern and what are all the syllabus you have and the weightage for the exam. I'll be explaining each and everything step by step. Watch till the end, don't miss anything. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. And let us start. What is GATE exam? Let us see. The full form of the GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. This is the full form of the GATE. And it is conducted by the IITs and IISc. And what is the purpose to conduct the GATE exam? To get the MTech admissions easily and to get PSU jobs, higher studies in abroad and research. It will be helpful to these things. And what is the eligibility to apply the GATE exam? You should be the final year or completed BE or BTech. If you are a final year student of BE BTech, you can apply, and completed the BE or BTech, you can also apply. And MSc MCA also, if you completed MSc and MCA also, you can apply to GATE exam. And what is the age limit to apply the GATE exam? There is no age limit. You can attempt any number of times this GATE exam. Let us see the exam pattern, how the exam will be. The duration of this GATE exam will be 3 hours and the total marks for this exam is 100 marks and the number of questions included is 65 questions. Those include CMCQ, multiple choice questions, MSQ, that is multiple select questions. You can select the multiple answers in that, and numerical type of questions. And negative marking. Yes, we have negative marking in GATE exam. That is for only MCQ questions. That is multiple choice questions. And the subject. What are all the subjects included in the GATE exam? Those are core subjects. Core subjects for whatever the subject you have applied for, CSC, ECE, EEE, and etc. We have 30 plus subjects in the GATE exam, and the general aptitude we have, and engineering mathematics. These are the subjects included in the GATE exam. And what is the weightage for each subject? For core subjects, the weightage is approximately 70%, and for engineering maths is approximately 15% of weightage, and the general aptitude also will cover the 15%. And if you are from the CSC, you can expect 45 marks from the core, 15 marks from the maths and 15 from the aptitude. This is the exam pattern for the GATE exam. And the next is syllabus overview. What are all the syllabus we have? We have core subjects, engineering maths, and I told you core subjects, engineering maths and general aptitude. In core subjects we have based on your branch like CSE, ECE, ISC and EEE, mechanical. We have these branches. Based on your branch, we have core subjects. And engineering maths, you have to focus on the linear algebra, calculus, probability and differential equations. And in general aptitude we have, in general aptitude, verbal ability, numerical ability and reasoning. These are the topics covered in the general aptitude. Next is the preparation strategy. There have to be some preparation strategy to study anything. And the step 1, I'll tell you step by step everything. Learn the basics first, like take the NCERT book, standard books, anything, and clear fundamentals in maths and core subjects. You have to study the clear fundamentals in maths and in the core subjects as well. This is the step 1 that you have to do. And the step 2, previous year question paper analysis. solve last 10-year GATE previous year question paper. You have to solve the last 10-year GATE question papers. Then only you will get to understand the question paper pattern, what are all the important questions and repeated questions. You will be able to understand easily. And the step 3 is make notes and formula sheets. Short handwritten notes for the revision. You have to write down whatever you study, make a notes, make a formula sheet for revision or everything. It will be easy for you. And the fourth step is mock test. You have to take the mock tests, whatever you have studied, you have to take the mock test based on that topic. At least 20 to 25 full mocks before the exam. You have to take 20 to 25 full mock tests. Then you will be prepared for that GATE exam, or else no. That's why you have to be prepared and take the mock tests before the GATE exam and analyze the mistakes. Whatever the mistakes you will do, you have to analyze those mistakes and revise the topic again and again and improve in that subject. Got it? You have to analyze your mistakes, then only you will be able to improve that subject. Revise that topic and improve that. And the fifth step is revision cycle. Whatever you will study, you have to revise at the end of the day. Revise formulas every week, then only you will be able to remember everything. Solve 30 to 50 questions daily. Try to solve the more and more questions daily. Then only you will get that. Aim to solve more and more questions daily. What are all the books and resources are needed to prepare for the GATE exam? Let us see that. For general aptitude, you have to refer the R.S. Agarwal book. This is the best recommended book for the aptitude. And the previous year questions also you have to refer for the general aptitude, because most of the topics and most of the questions will be repeated. That's why you have to refer the previous year questions as well along with the R.S. Agarwal textbook. For engineering maths, you have to refer the B.S. Grewal textbook and the previous year questions as well. For core subjects, for example, let us take the CS. For CS, we have algorithms, operating system, DBMS, digital logic and networking, computer networking. These are the core subjects we have in the CS subject, CS branch. For algorithms, you have to refer the CLRS textbook. For operating system, you have to refer the Galvin textbook. For DBMS, database management, you have to refer the Korth book. And for digital logic, you have to refer the Morris Mano textbook. And for the networking, computer networks, you have to refer the Kuros and Rose textbook. And we have online resources as well to prepare and practice study. We have NPTEL. This is the online platform to prepare for the GATE, and GATE Overflow. Here also you can prepare. And Geeks for Geeks. This is the best platform, online platform that you can take over. This is the most important part of this video, because the mistakes to avoid. I will explain the mistakes that you have to avoid while GATE exam. Most of the people ignore the previous year questions. You have to practice the previous year questions first. That's why don't ignore the previous year question papers. Take the question papers and try to solve 10 to 20 problems daily. And the second one is skipping the mock tests. Don't skip the mock test. Daily try to take the 10 to 20 minutes of mock test is enough. Later on, you have to increase that mock test timings and you have to take the mock tests. And inconsistent study, you have to study consistently, you have to study daily. Take a timetable, make a timetable yourself to study after college evening times like 7 to 9 p.m. like that. Take a fixed timetable and study daily. That is very important to write any exam. That's why inconsistency should be there. And neglect in the general aptitude. Many people neglect the aptitude because they think like aptitude is very difficult and all. That's why aptitude is very simple. If you learn the logics and all, you'll be able to solve any problem easily. That's why don't neglect the general aptitude. And for example, if I take 6 months preparation plan for the GATE exam, starting first to second months, you have to learn the basics first and make the notes of core subjects and maths. Whatever you study, make a note. And the third and fourth month, you have to solve the previous year question paper questions and attempt the sectional test. You have to attend the tests frequently. And the fifth month, you have to do the full syllabus revision. Whatever you have studied in the 4 months, you have to do revision. Start the revision from here. You have to revise daily whatever you study. That is different. This is full syllabus revision and full length marks. In the starting, you have to take at least 20 to 30 minutes marks, and later on you have to increase the timings. Full length marks you have to take. And when it comes to 6th month, focus only on weak areas. Wherever you find difficulty, you have to focus on that subject especially. And daily revision, you have to do revision daily and take the marks. This is very important. Don't skip that mark. And the exam day strategy, you have to follow this on the exam day. Attempt easy questions first. You have to attempt whatever you know, whatever the subject you feel easy and questions easy, you have to attempt those first. And don't waste more than 2 minutes for only one question. Don't waste your time on only one question more than 2 minutes. Skip that question and go to next question. If you have any doubtful, mark it and return that later. Okay? Don't waste your time in the exam hall. And aim for 65 to 70 plus marks for safe PSU and MTech cutoff. If you have to aim for 65 to 70 plus, you have to study like I have to get this much of marks, then only it is safe to get the MTech and PSU jobs. Okay, this is the full overview of GATE exam. If you find this information helpful, then subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates like this, and share this full information with your friends. And if you want a particular branch GATE exam strategy, then comment down below your branch, then I can do a full strategy video for GATE exam. And don't forget to my channel to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.